Hey guys. Hey guys. So I'm here today to show you 3 simple steps to creating never-ending cash flow funnels. It's a very, very easy system to do. And to do it, we need to use a tool called awprotools.com. That's the website address. Anyway, what AW Pro Tools is an automation tool that runs with Aweber account. So if you're going to need an Aweber account, if you want to put this into process, if you don't have one, I suggest you do. Aweber still is one of the best autoresponders out there. So what we do here is, I'm going to show you really quick on a bubble chart layout, okay? So let me just go over here. So let's just imagine we're driving traffic now. Now all we're doing is driving traffic and building our list the way that we do. So when the people come into list 1, what's going to happen is they're going to get our follow-ups, email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5. Now, some of you may go to email 13 or whatever, depending on the sequence you're doing or what the product is that you're selling. But what AW Pro does is when it's configured, when they have got to the end of that follow-up sequence, it will automatically move them to list number 2. Pretty slick. Now then what happens, so they finish the follow-up sequence, how many emails you have, they drop into list number 2. Now you can pitch them with a whole new product. So now this one, they're going to see email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5, or more if you have them. When they're finished with that sequence, again, AW Pro will now move them to list number 3. Now they're going to go ahead and go all the way through the sequence on list number 3. When they get to the end, AW Pro is going to step in again, all automated, and bring them to list number 4. List number 4 is going to go through the follow-up sequence. When they finish, AW Pro is going to take them to list number 5. As you see, it's just a never-ending cash flow. Now, some of you may be saying, Daz, why don't you just do one list with 45, 50, or 100 follow-up emails, switch into a different program each time? Well, here's why. As you all know, products change, time goes by, some products work, some products don't. Sometimes you're testing a product, sometimes you want to test this product, and you want to make sure it fits your niche or whatever you're working with. By doing it this way, you can simply eliminate one of these list steps, create another one at the bottom, and just connect it together without having to go through all of these emails and rewrite, and which one, is it number 18, is it number 45, is it number what? You can control, if one of these lists isn't working, you simply take it out of the loop. You create a new list with a new product, and all you do is connect it to the loop. So eventually you'll end up with a big, well-oiled gear cog machine of basically subscribers coming in and working their way down this never-ending flow of cash while you sleep, whatever you're doing, as long as you want to create this thing for. And really, it's a matter of create a list, enter the follow-up emails, and then create the automation in AW Pro. So I'm going to show you right now inside AW Pro, and underneath this video, there's going to be a link there for you to sign up with AW Pro and get all sorted out. It's a great program. I mean, it's barely nothing. I think it's like $20 a month. Nothing for what it does. So I'm going to log in. Okay. And here we are in automations. Now again, AW Pro does a whole bunch of stuff. It does list cleanup. It does automation groups. It does automation. When I say list cleanup, what that means is it actually goes into your AW account, your Aweber account, and delete all your unsubscribes, which saves you money. So you're going to make your money back with this software anyway, even if you only used it for that. But it also creates smart links, where if somebody clicks a link, it's going to automatically move them to another list. So this is a pretty amazing tool. So let's go on here. I'm going to create automation. Okay, and we're just going to give you an example. So these are all the different tools you can use. They've got all kinds of stuff. You can use this, look, a vendor and an affiliate, JVZoo purchase. You can even move your buyers around without having to put a download page. But anyway, let's go here. We can go finish legacy follow-up. That's the one we want to do. And we're going to click next action. Okay, and then we're going to click, we want to move them to a list. Okay, so we're going to go, let's set up. And now here's the trigger. Every day, we want it to go every day. Okay, move from, let's just say for example, I'm going to go Biz Opens. And I'm going to want them to move them to Biz Pro. Okay. Which legacy follow-up message should the subscriber receive first? They're going to get the first message when they go into the new funnel. Okay. And then this basically, it's going to go, so look, select the list you want to move the subscriber from. At the end, once he finishes getting all his messages, okay, on the legacy series. So you're going to go save changes. Okay. And this is legacy finish up, follow up. Now all you're going to do is just go ahead and go to automations again. And you're going to create another one. Let's go down to this. Finish legacy. You see how easy it is? It's just a few clicks. Move to a list. You can obviously name your automation right here if you want to, but I'm just showing you an example. And we're going to go like this. And now we're going to say every day we want to move from, we went Biz Pro because that was the one we moved to. And now we're going to take this down to Facebook formula opt-ins. And we're going to save changes. And that's it, guys. Once this finishes processing, that's all she wrote. So all you literally do is go into the automation tools, and for every time you want to move, a list to another one, simply click it, take the legacy follow-up sequence, finish legacy follow-up, and just add that list to the next. You can do this again and again and again and create multiple income streams no matter what niche you're in with this amazing tool. So if you want to go ahead and grab the tool, again, there'll be a link underneath this video. Thanks a lot, and thanks for watching.